In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the card color in Trello in our full guide for 2025. This process is straightforward, but I'll be walking you through each part to make sure it's as clear as possible. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Trello.com. Once the page is loaded, you should see the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. Trello provides a couple of options for logging in. You can choose to log in using your email address, or if you find it more convenient, use your Google account instead. It's really up to you, just use whichever method you're most comfortable with. Now that you're logged into Trello, it's time to navigate to where the magic happens. Click on your Boards tab, prominently displayed on your home page. This is where you'll see all of your boards laid out, making it easy for you to select the one you need to work on. Next step is to find the section called Your Workspaces. This is generally located on the side menu. Click on this section to list out the various workspaces you might have. From here, find and select the board you want to work on. It's as easy as scanning through your list of boards until you see the one that's relevant to your current project. Once you have the board up, you're ready for the next step. Now it's time to dive into a specific card. Click on any card you want to alter. Cards are the individual elements that populate your Trello board, holding all sorts of information pertinent to your projects. Once your chosen card is open, take a look at the menu options available to you. You should see an option called Cover. Don't hesitate, click on that. This is where you'll choose your card color. You'll find a selection of color options displayed. Feel free to pick the one that best fits your needs or aesthetic. Not only can you choose the hue, but you also have the flexibility to pick a size for the card cover. This means you can decide whether to cover the whole card or just have a smaller strip of color for a little added visual organization. To wrap things up, after you've selected your color and size preferences, simply close the menu. This confirms your choices and will apply the changes to the card automatically. And that's it, you're done. You've successfully changed the card color in Trello. Changing card colors can be an effective way to keep your workflow organized and visually appealing, helping you quickly identify different tasks or categories. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for tuning in and good luck with your Trello projects.